So, Lootwox is basically marketed as a prediction market where users can speculate on the outcomes of different events. The concept sounds interesting, but I'd be pretty careful before putting any money into it. The biggest thing I'd look at is legitimacy and regulation. Prediction markets can operate under very different rules depending on where you're located, so you need to know who actually runs the platform and whether it's legally available in your country. I'd also look at how deposits, withdrawals, and winning payouts work. A platform can have an attractive interface and plenty of markets, but that doesn't necessarily tell you how reliable it is when you actually want your money back. Another thing is the risk itself. Even if Lootwox is completely legitimate, prediction markets aren't guaranteed ways to make money. You're still making speculative bets, and you can lose what you put in. So, should you trust Lootwox? I wouldn't rush into depositing money until you've verified the company behind it, its regulatory status, withdrawal policies, and independent reputation. Overall, the concept may be interesting, but with any lesser-known prediction market, I'd do plenty of research before trusting it with your money. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.